let's take a look at how to use Semrush for analyzing competitor traffic sources, which is really quite interesting to see sort of the trend of where people are getting their traffic. And there's a quick way to go in here and check this. So I actually just searched up Best Buy, and this is just an example, but you would find one of the bigger companies in your niche, usually whoever's one of the leaders in your industry. Like if you use a website that doesn't have a lot of traffic, you're probably not going to get very much data here, just to be aware, right? But if you go in here to dashboard and then scroll down a little bit, click traffic and analytics, and of course you have to put the site in up at the top and do a search, and then go over to the dashboard and then traffic analytics. And then we're going to see this full breakdown of where they're getting their traffic from, which is really quite interesting. If you think about even like what country, so even the AI platforms, it's like knowing where a company is acquiring their customers can give you a lot of insight into where you need to be looking at, focusing on your marketing, whether that means plugging a hole because they're not looking at a certain area or doing it better than them or what have you, right? But that's sort of analyzing competitor traffic sources in a nutshell. If there's anything you did have questions about, don't hesitate to reach out. Just drop your questions in the comment section down below, and we'll be sure to get back to them there.
If you're like most new business owners, you're probably struggling to get your online presence established, let alone get it to the point where it's bringing you a consistent flow of customers, right? So that's why I created this free course where I actually walk you step by step through the whole process of setting up your online presence. This is the same process we've been using for our clients for over a decade at one of my agencies. And essentially, I'm going to show you how to set up an SEO-friendly business name right from the get-go, how to develop your website really quickly and easily, how to set up your Google Maps listing, start getting some Google reviews, everything you need in order to have a substantial online presence where people can actually start finding you and purchasing your products or services. The best part is I'm going to show you how to do it in under a couple of hours, and all for less than 50 bucks. If you're interested, I'll leave a link below where you can get signed up today. Make sure to check this course out for free right now because I'm probably going to start charging for this at some point in the future. All right, I'll see you on the other side.